The pursuit of respect becomes a hard effort in a society where words have the power to hurt deeper than any weapon. Set out on a life-changing adventure with our video as we explore the meaning of a potent Zen tale that reveals the keys to gaining respect. Get ready for a discovery that will protect you from insults and improve your reputation among others. Learn the ageless lessons that will enable you to move gracefully and honorably through the complex web of interpersonal relationships. The Monk and the Samurai. A young samurai was traveling across the country seeking to challenge and defeat the most renowned swordsman. He heard of a famous Zen monk who was said to be a master of the sword. He decided to visit the monk and test his skills. He arrived at the temple where the monk lived and asked to see him. The monk agreed to meet him, but he was not wearing his robes or carrying his sword. He was dressed in simple clothes and had a peaceful smile on his face. The samurai was puzzled and annoyed. He expected to see a formidable opponent, not a humble monk. He said to the monk, "I have come to challenge you to a duel. I want to see if you are really a master of the sword." The monk replied, "I am sorry, but I have no sword. I have given up violence and embraced the way of Zen. I have nothing to prove to you or anyone else." The samurai was furious. He felt that the monk was mocking him and his honor. He shouted, "How dare you insult me like this? You are a coward and a fraud. You are not worthy of being called a monk or a swordsman. Draw your sword and fight me, or I will kill you right here and now." The monk remained calm and said, "I have no sword, but I have a gift for you. Please take this teacup and drink from it. It is a special tea that I have prepared for you. It will calm your mind and soothe your anger." The samurai was suspicious, but he was also curious. He took the teacup and drank from it. As he did, he felt a strange sensation in his body. He felt his muscles relax and his breathing slow down. He felt his anger subside and his mind clear. He looked at the monk and saw him in a different light. He saw a wise and compassionate man who had nothing to fear or hate. He felt a surge of respect and admiration for the monk. He bowed to the monk and said, "Thank you for your gift. You have shown me the true way of the sword. It is not a weapon of violence, but a tool of wisdom. It is not a means of killing, but a way of living. You have taught me more than any swordsman I have ever met. Please forgive me for my rudeness and ignorance. I beg you to accept me as your disciple and teach me the way of Zen." The monk smiled and said, "You are welcome, my son. You have passed the test. You have seen through the illusion of the sword and the ego. You have realized the truth of Zen. You have nothing to avoid or resist. You have nothing to gain or lose. You have nothing to fear or hate. You have nothing to insult or be insulted by. You have everything to give and receive. You have everything to love and be loved by. You are free and happy. You are a true Zen master." The samurai was overjoyed and grateful. He threw away his sword and followed the monk. He became his most devoted and enlightened student. The 5 lessons to avoid insults from this story are: don't take things personally. What others say or do to you is a reflection of their own mind, not yours. Don't let their words or actions affect your peace and happiness. Don't react with anger or violence. Anger and violence only create more suffering and conflict. They don't solve anything, they only make things worse. Respond with calmness and kindness. They will dissolve the negativity and create harmony. Don't judge or criticize others. Everyone has their own path and their own challenges. You don't know what they are going through or why they behave the way they do. Respect their choices and their differences. Learn from them and grow with them. Don't be attached to your ego or your identity. Your ego and your identity are not who you really are. They are just labels and concepts that you have created or adopted. They are not permanent or solid. They are not worth fighting or dying for. Let go of your ego and your identity. Discover your true self and your true nature. Don't seek validation or approval from others. You don't need others to tell you who you are or what you are worth. You don't need others to praise you or admire you. You don't need others to love you or accept you. You already have everything you need within yourself. You are already complete and perfect. You are already loved and accepted. You are already enough.